Hello, welcome to the United States.
Hello.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have a visa?
Yes, it's in my passport.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Germany.
Is this your first time in the US?
Yes, it is my first time.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 14 days.
Where will you stay?
I will stay at a hotel.
Do you have the address?
Yes, here is the address.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Are you meeting anyone here?
No, I will go to the hotel by myself.
How much money do you have?
I have about $700 and a credit card.
Are you carrying any food?
No, I'm not.
Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I packed them myself.
What do you do for work?
I am a teacher.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, my return flight is on May 20th.
Everything looks good? Welcome to the United States.
Thank you very much.